To install the app, simply go to resource.trackplanfm.com, wait for the prompt. This will then install the app to your home screen like any other app. Once logged in, you can see a list of job tasks assigned to you. These are color coordinated by the job task status. These jobs are auto filterable by open or closed, reactive or planned, or by any search term you like. Clicking on a job card brings you into that job task details. These details include the site, status, location, sublocation, etc. Various different actions can be performed on this job task. These include accept, start travel, arrive on site, and leave site. These are all completely configurable in the main Trackplan area. Here I will leave a task, enter my details, add a signature, and click leave task. This will ask me to provide a location. This is because it takes a location stamp at various different points. This is also configurable from the main Trackplan app. More advanced features are also available within the app. These include taking a photo, adding a document, and adding a note. Here I will show an example of adding a document. This document is quickly added to the job task and also sent back up to the main Trackplan system. More advanced features available in the app include timesheets and stock. Timesheets give you the ability to edit and submit timesheets, while stock gives you the option to add stock to a job. Here I will quickly show you how to add stock to a job. This quickly adds the stock to the job and also sends it back to the main Trackplan system. Other things to note would be the new upcoming features. These include expenses and electronic forms. Electronic forms will be very powerful in that they can do risk assessments, inspections, and even meter readings, for example. It is also worth noting that this app completely works offline. This is due to a new progressive web app technology, which allows you to install an app through a browser and use it just like any other app. For more information on this, visit www.trackplanfm.com for more details. Thank you for watching.